comes number 122. Let's hear it for Diane Thomas. Woo! Number 34. Lynette Koppenberg. Way to go.
Good job, Diane. Keep going.
All right, here comes number 183, 343, 228. Nice job, ladies. Woo! Number 286. Nice job. Number 401. Let's sprint to that finish line. Yeah, you guys did it.
Good job.
Nice job. Number 60, Heather Lamb. Good job, Heather. And number 50, Amanda Marcioni. Number 418, looking good, looking good, looking good.
Don't stab him.
Morgan Dalby, nice job. Number 79.
Come on, Stanley. Woohoo!